Wow, you guys, how is it November already? I cannot believe that Christmas is right around the corner. I don't know about you, but I need to get my together and start doing a little Christmas shopping. Hey y'all, I'm Christy the Gen X Gypsy, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 travel gifts that come in for under $50. Let's get started. My first item is something that I've loved using since I got them earlier this year, and I've talked about them in a couple of other videos, and they are these compression packing cubes. I'll put a picture up here that lays out all of the items that come with this particular set. It includes 2 of the smaller bags, 2 of the larger bags, a shoe bag, and a laundry bag. Now this set with the shoe bag and the laundry bag runs just a little over $50, but you can also get a set that just has the 4 compression cubes that is under $50. Not only are they pretty to look at, but they also make your packing so much more efficient. The second item is something else I've talked about quite a bit, and it's one of my 5 essentials that I travel with on pretty much every flight that I go on, and it is this turtle headrest. Now, the turtle headrest is lighter weight and less bulky than most headrests, and I just really love the way that it cradles my head, and you can use the neck part that wraps around your face kind of as an extra mask when you are flying as well. This would be a great addition to give to anybody who travels quite a bit. It is super helpful for sleeping on long flights and sometimes even catching a nap in an airport. This third item would be great for any woman in your life that likes to travel and is maybe planning to travel somewhere with a little bit of a cooler climate. It's this infinity scarf that has 2 hidden pockets, and you can use these pockets to maybe put your passport in, or extra money, or anything else that you don't want to get stolen or lost while you are traveling. It's just a fantastic, nice, middle of the road priced gift, and any woman would love having one of these. Number 4 is another item you have seen from me quite often because it is one of my absolutely favorite travel items, and it is these Turkish towels. They come in a set of 4, or you can get a set of 2 in beautiful colors, and these are fantastic for the person who loves to travel to tropical locations because they work great as both a beach towel, a sarong. You can use them as an extra blanket on the plane. There are so many uses for them, and they're so soft, and the sand comes right off of them. I highly, highly recommend these Turkish towels for the traveler in your life. Number 5 is an item that I just splurged on for myself for my upcoming trip to Puerto Rico, and it is this tile tracker. This is something that you can put in your luggage and use the app to find your luggage if it happens to get lost. You can also put this in your wallet, so if your wallet happens to get stolen or lost, you'd be able to find it as well. They do make smaller ones that you can use for like dog tags or put on your keys in case you are somebody who loses your keys a lot. And they are really, really cool. I'm excited to start using this, and lots of flight attendants have talked about these and they say they are fantastic to have. So this is another really cool gadget that would be great for your traveler. Number 6 are these great little wireless headphones that I've been using for almost a year, and they are fantastic. They're only about $30, and they come with their own little charging case. They have been just a fantastic purchase, and they would be amazing for anybody that you need to buy a little gift for. It's nice and small and compact, so they're easy to pack, and the sound is amazing. Now granted, I use mine mostly to listen to audiobooks or podcasts when I'm on the plane, but you could use them for anything, for jogging or listening to music, or obviously listening to music. You know, anything you use headphones for. They are a great little gift. Number 7 is another essential that nobody should be traveling without, and that is a portable charger. And this is a nice little Anchor one. It will charge both your iPad and your iPhones pretty quickly. And the reason that you need a portable charger these days is because even though there are charging stations in airports, a lot of times they get filled up or the plugs aren't really working all that well. And I've noticed that a lot of times the plugs in the airplanes are not working either. So if you're going to be depending on your iPad or your phone to entertain you through a flight, you are definitely going to need a portable charger. I also keep an additional portable charger in my car now, just because if you have multiple people traveling with you, it's nice to have that additional ability for people to charge while you're driving down the road. And number 8, while we're still on some kind of tech stuff, is a waterproof Bluetooth portable speaker. Now this one I got from my daughter for Christmas last year, and it does run about $100, so it's out of that $50 range. However, JBL does make a small portable version that is actually a little more convenient because it has a hook on it, so it'd be nice to be able to hang places. And that one does fall into our price range. If you're enjoying this video so far and appreciate the information that I am sharing, could you take a second to click that like button? And if you haven't had a chance to yet, if you could hit the subscribe button as well, it does make a difference, and thank you. And coming in at number 9 is something that is new to me, and it is this great foldable yoga mat. Now it's a little on the thin side, but it is super sticky. So being able to do yoga poses on here should be pretty easy. Anyone in your life who is a yogi or Pilates or just really likes to work out when they travel would probably appreciate a gift like this. And last but not least, number 10 is this Life Straw water bottle. This water bottle comes with a straw with 2 filters in it, including a carbon filter. It does help filter out bacteria, parasites, and microplastics. I love the fact that it filters the water because I am always a little nervous when I go places that I'm not really sure about the water. I've had stomach issues before in places, not just traveling internationally, but also domestically. So having something that filters my water is pretty important to me. Now, I always have a water bottle with me. I consider it one of my top 5 carry-on essentials. And if you want to know what the other essentials are I have in my carry-on, check out this video next. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.